Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the home of elegance, innovation, and the art of luxury living. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an incredible tour like this. Today, we are about to explore one of the most stunning masterpieces in the United States, a luxury red and white mansion that defines perfection, passion, and prestige. The moment our drone rises above the skyline, you'll see the majestic exterior of this residence glowing under the Florida sun. The upper facade shines with a rich red tone while the lower level stands out in timeless white, creating a striking balance of boldness and purity. Palm trees sway around the property, and the driveway leads to an entrance that feels like walking into a dream. As we approach the front elevation, the double red doors open to reveal an atmosphere of sophistication. The white marble steps shimmer under soft lighting, inviting you inside to a grand foyer. The first glimpse already whispers exclusivity: high ceilings, polished marble floors, and a harmony of red and white details that set the tone for the entire tour. Stepping into the living room, you're welcomed by a blend of comfort and class. Plush white sofas surround a crystal glass table, while red accent pillows add a touch of warmth and passion. Large floor-to-ceiling glass walls open to a panoramic view of the waterway, making this space perfect for sunset relaxation or elegant gatherings. Moving to the gourmet kitchen, every corner tells a story of modern design and luxury. The cabinetry is white and seamless, reflecting natural light beautifully. Red bar stools line the island counter, creating a perfect space for casual breakfasts or conversations. Stainless steel appliances and golden lights complete this perfect culinary space designed for both style and functionality. In the formal dining room, the atmosphere turns royal. Red velvet chairs circle a white marble dining table, surrounded by walls featuring artistic decor. This is not just a place to dine, it's a place to celebrate life, family, and success. The master bedroom feels like a private sanctuary. A red headboard contrasts gracefully with white curtains and minimalist furniture. Soft music, natural sunlight, and an open window view of the waterway create a setting that defines relaxation and peace. The guest bedrooms continue the same luxurious style, offering comfort, warmth, and privacy to everyone staying here. Next, we move into the home office, a space designed for inspiration and productivity. A white desk faces a garden view while a red leather chair adds a touch of authority and strength. It's the perfect spot to think big and create even bigger dreams. The bathrooms in this mansion are pure elegance: white marble surfaces, gold fixtures, and even red rose petals carefully arranged around the bathtub. Every element speaks of refinement and detail. As we head to the entertainment room, we enter a completely new vibe: modern, cozy, and exciting. The red carpet and ambient LED lights bring a cinematic energy, while white cinema sofas offer comfort for movie nights with family and friends. The gym area continues the luxury theme: white mirrored walls, red gym mats, and high-end fitness equipment turn exercise into an experience of motivation and power. Outside, the lifestyle continues. The chef-style outdoor kitchen combines white cabinetry with red counters, overlooking a sparkling blue swimming pool. Sunbeds in white and red line up perfectly along the poolside, making it a resort-like retreat right at home. The garage is another statement of wealth: luxury cars parked under elegant white lighting and red ceiling accents. Each detail reflects the taste of someone who values excellence in every aspect. From the balcony, the view is simply breathtaking. You can feel the calm ocean breeze as you look out at the intracoastal waterway, surrounded by the gentle glow of sunset reflecting on the red and white structure. As the evening falls, the mansion transforms into a glowing piece of art. Red and white lights dance across its architecture, highlighting every corner of its magnificent design. The backyard garden, filled with red flowers and white stone paths, adds a final touch of serenity. Finally, the drone rises again for the closing shot, circling around the mansion as night lights shimmer across the property, reflecting beauty and luxury in perfect harmony. This home is not just a property, it's a statement, a lifestyle, and a dream turned into reality. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to keep exploring the world's most extraordinary homes with us. Because here, luxury isn't just seen, it's felt.